In this video, we will learn how to parameterize a capsule type of section in the user section mode of CIM. So currently we are in the user section mode of CIM where we have already defined a capsule type of section having a horizontal length starting from this portion to this portion. We are having the length of 2000 millimeters while the radius for this arc is 600 millimeters. So now first of all let us define the reference line. First, we will define the reference line at the datum location. And next, we will be defining the reference lines, one at the top mid location of the capsule and another one at the bottom mid location of the capsule section. Now we will go to the dimension option. Over here, first of all, we will be defining the horizontal dimensions starting from the top left corner, the end of this horizontal portion to the top mid of the capsule section. Same way, we will do the mirror of it from the top mid of the capsule section to the end of this horizontal line. We will be placing another horizontal dimension line. Now for the radial option, we will be assigning, we will select this arc first and we will click on blue plus. And same way, we will select this arc and we will click on this blue plus to save. Now let's assign vertical dimensions for the section. And for that, we'll divide the vertical dimension in two parts so that we can easily assign the radius dimension to the vertical dimension. So first of all, we will be selecting this reference edge and another one at the middle. And next, we will be selecting the middle reference line. We'll click on blue plus. Same way, we'll select the second reference line and the third reference line. And we'll click on apply button and we'll close it. Now we'll go to the constraint option. We will fix the reference line location at the datum location and we'll click on blue plus. Now we'll choose the coincident option and we'll tell the program that the vertices of any edge shall be locked with any reference line. So first of all, we are having this top reference line and along with this top reference line, we are having a horizontal line at the top. So we are having a start vertex of this edge and the end vertex of this edge. So we are telling the program to calculate to lock these two vertices with this reference line. We'll click on apply button. Same way we will do it for the bottom reference line and the bottom edge of the capsule. Now we'll close it. We'll go to the parameter option. We'll click on edit. Under the parameter name, we'll assign the parameterize length with a variable of L and we'll assign the total length as 2000 millimeters. We'll assign the next parameter as radius and we'll assign the variable name as capital R having the value of 600 millimeters. This radius will serve the purpose for the vertical half height as well. So we don't need to calculate the half height of the section. Now we need to consider the half length of the section. So we will assign the parameter name as half length of rectangular portion, or you can say the horizontal line. We'll check on this functional option and we'll provide the equation as capital L divided by 2. This capital L is the variable of the length. So it got calculated as 1000 millimeters, which is similar to the H1 and H2 dimension line. Now we'll click on green tick. We'll go to the link option and we'll link the parameters with the dimension line. For the H1 and H2, we are having half length of rectangular. And for rest of the dimensions, we are having the radius as a parameter for both V1, V2 and R1, R2. You click on green tick. Now let's go to parameter and click on edit. Change the parameters from let's say 2000 to 3500 and we'll reduce the radius from 600 to let's say 500 millimeters. Now we'll click on green tick. So it got automatically updated. So the radius is updated to 500 millimeters from 600 millimeter and the vertical dimension is also get updated accordingly. Same way, the half length of the rectangle is changed as per the constraint parameter equation. So that is how we can parameterize a capsule section in the user section mode of CIM.